Here's how you can get results like this on your Etsy stores very quickly by just paying attention to what people are buying at that time of year. So we have a perfect example here. So we've got this cold weather for the majority. It's cold in America and across Europe, and people like to stay warm. They like these kind of accessories that they can wear around the house, and slippers are the perfect example, right? With slippers, you have thousands and thousands of different designs. You have your audience is everyone. I wear slippers religiously. They are just the perfect gift. They're the perfect accessory. They are perfect for anything. Matching slippers with your loved one. Get them for a birthday present, for Easter gift, for Mother's Day. So let's take a little example of this store here. All these store sales is slippers, and look at this, 17,000 sales. So this is what they sell, and you will be surprised to hear that they are drop shipping. So they have done 17,000 sales in just under 3 years. Okay. And this here is one of their popular products. So as you can see, it is just some basic slippers like this. Nothing special about them. But look, here they are on AliExpress. Right? So just on a side note, if you are put off by AliExpress shipping, right, because it takes a long time, join the Discord. It's just the links on the screen. We have a private supplier specifically for our community. You can reach out to them in Diamond, and they will hook you up with 7 to 12 day deliveries at a really good cost. So that is definitely the route you want to be taking. So look here, perfect photos, perfect, right? And they do well. So let's take another look at their store. They've blocked that off. Okay, but look here, just some very basic designed slippers. Look, they even have one here with a white background, but they have all of these. So this is telling you that there is a huge demand for this product, right? And look, so you just do a search like this and you pull up loads of different examples. And from this, you can then choose slippers that you want to be selling. You can come across slippers that many of people might not be selling. But so if we look on the graph here, you'll see that okay, it's coming a bit down to where we are now, but this is going to be prime time for when people are going to be buying slippers. So this should be one of your many stores. This, right? And the perfect news about slipper stores is they pivot to, let's hope this comes up. Like shoe slides. I guess we can do sandals, right? And this is what we're going to be coming into in a couple months, right? So all these people are going to be buying sandals, shoe slides. I don't know what they're actually probably called, but you see what I mean. So you have the slippers for the cold months, you have the slides and sandals for the warm months. There you are hitting both markets, okay? And then on this store you upsell with dressing gowns and so on, and getting to those type of accessories, and it's so easily done. 3 years, 17,000 sales. That is not bad. They are making a good amount of money, right? And if we go back on it here, they've got 138 listings, but look what they do. So they then go into the seasons and the occasions and the festivities. So they go on Christmas, and you could also do Halloween, Easter, Mother's Day, Father's Day, Thanksgiving. These are the things that you can get into by going down this route. You can constantly be adapting to what is happening in terms of occasions, what is in the calendar, right? Constantly looking ahead. You want to be 60 to 90 days out before big events and big occasions like that, right? But to find these winning products, all you need to do is just do a little basic search with AliExpress search by image, right? And then you come up and then look at these ones. So we come here And then boom, look at all these funky slippers. Right? All these funky ones. Okay? So you've now got, 30, 40 products ready to go. You're going to be getting more up every day. You want to be building your store up. You want to be making sure you are taking advantage of what is happening in the world, what is happening in terms of occasions. Will these work for gifts? How can I maintain that? And so on. And as I said earlier, stores like this work perfectly alongside other stores. You run multiple, You don't just have to have this one store. I'm sure this one brand doesn't just run this one store. And look, people are loving it, right? So it's doing very well for them. If you were just to get a piece of this pie, it's going to do very well for you. This is a brand that you can build up over time. You can spend that early on investment time into it to build it up and then let it run. Let it sit in the background whilst you're working on another project. And that is why Etsy is so powerful, because you don't have to put your undivided attention into one store. You can have multiple. And as I said earlier, by getting into the sandals, the slides, the accessories, this is a store that can run year round. So if you want to know learn more about this, learn more about Etsy dropshipping, more niches and how to scale them up, be sure to subscribe, because I'm trying to drop 2 videos every single week. But that's it for today, guys. I'll speak to you soon.